Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will compare fractions and whole numbers on the number line by reasoning about their distance from zero. So the teaks we're focusing on today are 3.3a, 3.3b, 3.3g, 3.3h, and 3.7a. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our lesson for today. So over here I have two fractions. I have 4/6 and 1/6. I also have a number line. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to place 4/6 and 1/6 on my number line. So I have my whole and I have 6. I want to break my whole, from 0 to 1 into 6 equal pieces. So here are 3 over there and 3 over here. So I have 6 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go ahead and label. Let's go ahead and label all of my tick marks to see where all my 6 are. So this is 1/6. This is 2/6. This is 3/6. 4/6. And 5/6. So now we have to look at 4/6. So 4/6 is over here. And let's look at 1/6. 1/6 is over here. Now, let's compare 1/6 and 4/6. I can see right here that 1/6 is closer to 0 than 4/6. So that means that 1/6 is less than 4/6 because 1/6 is closer to 0 than 4/6. So I would go ahead and say 4/6 is greater than 1/6. Okay, so we can use a number line to help us and figure out which number is closer to 0 to help us figure out which one is greater than and less than. Now, what if I have a number with two different denominators? So I have 8/6 and I have 5/3. I have to figure out which one is closer to 0. Now, in both these cases, I actually have larger than a whole. So let's first look at 8/6. So I have one whole, 1 to 2 on my number line, right? So this is going to be my whole. So I need to go ahead and my denominator is telling me that I have 6 equal parts for each whole. So let me go ahead and divide this into 6 equal parts. Now I'm going to label everything, but I have one whole. So one whole is already 6/6, right? So that means the next one is going to be 7/6. Then we have 8/6. Oops. 8/6, 9/6, 10/6, 6. Oops, sorry, I'm having a hard time writing today. And 11/6, right? And then 2 is 12/6. So we want to locate 8/6. So 8/6 is right over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and look at 5/3. So again, I have my whole in between 1 and 2, so I need to break my whole into 3 equal pieces. So I'm going to do that with the number line. So if I do 3 equal pieces, that one there and this one here. So there are 3 equal pieces. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and label it. Now we're at 1. So 1, if I divide it into 3 equal parts, gives me 3/3. And then this next sigma is 4/3. That's going to be the same as 8/6. And then we have 5/3. And 2 wholes is 6/3. So let's locate 5/3 on my number line. 5/3 is over here. Okay, so I want to figure out which one of these is closer to 0. So I have 8/6, which is closer to 1 than my 5/3, right? The distance is closer. Now, 1 is closer to 0, right? Because if we extend this number line and keep going, we'll have 0 over here. So 8/6 is closer to 0 than 5/3. So looking at that, I can see that 8/6 is less than 5/3. So that would be my comparison statement. 8/6 is less than 5/3. All right, let's go over today's lesson objective. So today we compared fractions and whole numbers on the number line by reasoning about their distance from 0. All right, everyone. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope this was a helpful lesson, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.